welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. In today's video I'm gonna share with you my hair wash routine. Hair wash is pretty much self-explanatory, right? But I do follow a couple of hacks while washing my hair, which I'd like to share with you guys. So if you guys wanna know my hair wash routine and what hacks are those, then continue watching. The night before I wash my hair, I usually apply some hair oil or hair mask on my scalp, and in the morning I just take my hair out of my bun, and the first thing I do before stepping into the shower is to detangle my hair. I use my wooden comb to detangle my hair, because when we are washing our hair using shampoo, conditioners, we tend to massage our scalp and our hair, and that leads to our hair getting tangled. So you don't want to step into the shower with already some tangles and knots present in your hair. So before stepping into the shower, make sure that your hair is completely tangle free. So the first hack or the first trick we can say is to detangle our hair before stepping into the shower. For my hair wash today, I'll be using the Agate Kerolution shampoo. Agate in Danish means authentic. It's an Indian cruelty-free and vegan brand. So this shampoo, for ingredients, it contains keratin, biotin, vitamin E, jojoba oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, ginger extract. And the shampoo claims that it provides volume, restore and strengthens hair, improves hair manageability, promotes natural hair shine, and improves hair softness and texture. So let's try this shampoo and let's see how it works for my hair. After dampening my hair, I'm gonna take around this much shampoo and I'm gonna start applying it directly on top of my scalp. If the shampoo is sulfate free, I like to go directly in with the shampoo, but if it is a sulfate shampoo, I first dilute it using a little bit of water and then I start applying it on my scalp and my hair. As you can see, my hair is wet, and even though I'm massaging the shampoo on my scalp, the shampoo isn't foaming up much because it is a sulfate free shampoo, and also the shampoo has a really nice smell to it. So next I'm gonna take a little bit more of the shampoo and I'm gonna start applying it to the back of my head. So while applying the shampoo, while washing our hair with shampoo, a lot of time we face hair fall, and one of the main reasons of hair fall after hair wash is how we are applying products on our scalp, on our hair. We need to keep an eye on if we are getting too much aggressive on our scalp, if we are massaging the product too harshly, because you don't want to do that, because when your hair is wet, when the roots of your hair are wet, that's when your hair is the weakest. So keep in mind that whenever you are applying any product to your hair, to your scalp, you always need to be gentle. The next hack is to get rid of all the extra water from your hair right after rinsing the shampoo from your hair. Take your hair towel, your hair cloth, and get rid of all the extra water and get your hair to a semi-dry condition right before applying the conditioner or hair mask to your hair. Trust me, this makes a world of a difference. If you are applying conditioner or hair mask to your hair when it is still dripping water, you are wasting your product. For conditioning my hair today, I'll be using the Agate Kerolution hair mask. So the mask contains keratin, biotin, argan oil, amla, rose water, hibiscus extract, brahmi, henna, bhringraj, almond oil, and the mask claims that as it contains keratin, it provides long-term protection to your hair. It conditions and restores damaged hair. It has biotin to enhance keratin restoration. The mask is an intensive therapy for damaged and coarse hair, and also it gives perfect softness and shine to your hair. Before I start applying the hair mask to my hair, I like to split my hair into two equal sections, and the mask has a really nice smell of roses in it, and also it has a gel kind of texture. So starting right from the mid portion of my hair, I start applying the hair mask or conditioner. So the next hack is to detangle your hair. Now a lot of people detangle their hair while it is wet using a comb or a wet brush. I do not recommend doing that because while our hair is wet, it is really fragile and it can break really easily. So using your fingers, you can actually detangle your hair while applying a mask or a conditioner, which adds some slippery effect to your hair. So as I'm doing right here, using your fingers, slowly but gently try to detangle your hair. If you spot a really big knot in your hair, don't try to detangle it because you will do more damage than good. And also remember to generously apply the mask to the ends of your hair as well, because the ends of our hair are the most damaged part of our hair. After I'm done applying the mask all over my hair, I'm gonna leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off using water. So I'm gonna go one by one. First, let's talk about the shampoo. So right after applying the shampoo on my hair and washing it off, my hair was already feeling a little bit soft, and this shampoo is not like those other shampoos which make your hair feel like coarse, you know, right after you wash it off from your hair. So this shampoo is definitely not like that, and it also has a really nice mild kind of smell to it. And another thing is that the shampoo is sulfate free, which I showed to you guys. It doesn't foam up that much, but even though the shampoo is sulfate free, it was perfectly able to cleanse my hair properly and get rid of all the oils which I had applied on my hair. So I really like the shampoo because I do like my sulfate free shampoos. Next is the hair mask. I loved the hair mask. If you like anything that smells like roses, you're gonna love this hair mask. And apart from the beautiful smell of the hair mask, another thing which I really liked about the mask is that the texture of the mask, it has that really nice gel kind of texture which makes the mask really easy to use. Like you apply the mask on your hair and your hair instantly absorbs it. You don't have to work it too hard into your hair. So I applied the mask and I left it on my hair for around 5 minutes and then I washed it off, and it was perfectly able to make my hair soft, smooth and manageable. And I did not do an ACV rinse after using the mask, which I usually do when I wash my hair. And the best thing about the hair mask is that it did not weigh my hair down. You can see the volume of my hair is intact even after using the mask, which I really liked about this hair mask, because a lot of masks tend to weigh down your hair, but not for this hair mask. And you can tell if a mask worked for your hair or not looking at the ends of your hair. And look at the ends of my hair, they feel super soft. There isn't a little bit of dryness or brittleness in the ends of my hair. So a big thumbs up from me for the hair mask. So both of these products were a hit for me. I would definitely recommend you to try them out if you want to. I would leave the links to these products in the description box down below, so you can check it out from there. That's it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.